Welcome to the mix, and making it in today's news is Dwayne. He says that on a liquor fight them fight me, they are not good people. On a shock me, he said as he vented. He explains that he has his mother's and father's love, so people could take their love and shove it to where the sun don't shine. Stay tuned for the stories in detail, and remember to always like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
And them the people there, I swear to God, as I lift my hand to the good Lord above, I want nothing to do with Uno. On his wicked, dirty, barrel, bumble people. Right? My life is blessed.
As Dwayne vents, he says that people are wicked and dirty-hearted. Dwayne says that one of his followers who posted a vomit face, he said, "Are your front here smell? Go wash your front." He says that he's not calling anyone's name, but if the cap fit, I uno me a chat. Me no lotion or pet nor powder no girl nor no boy, Dwayne says. Dirty bongo, I uno amari make that song ya for. And I was wrong. Me did too enough insert myself in a too much.
I'm glad me figure out though, one by one me figure out one by one. I'm still I'm mix up him by my damn self, even though I know I'm not mix up. At the end of the day, not one come back and call me mix up when all I do is go to respective platform and take film mix up. So because I take phone mix up, that makes me mix up. Leave me alone. Up and up now. Enough, me need enough. And too enough. Drink your water right through. That's what I'm gonna do to drink my damn water, mind my damn business, because seriously, I damn drag you in a. No, what I did, I went and got the damn like the mix up videos from Film page. I've never posted no mix up of my own. I always mix up my post on my page. I know, you know how I knew when these people was trying to come for me when them try to take my page from me. They was trying so hard to take my page from me. Every time, like I give guys, them people are wicked enough. When I think I lick a fight, them fight me. Looking back on it now.
May I beg enough to subscribe now? Share, like, and comment on the video.
I should have seen it. They was fighting me from within. All of them was fighting me from within and acting like them is all for me. The one of them were wicked, hypocrite, dirty bungles. All of them. I'm not excluding nobody. May I put the whole under the same barrel? If I could fling all in the same barrel and go chuck on off in the deepest part of the ocean, I would do so. Because one is not good people like the social media phone and go sit down and leave me alone. I'm saying I'm a damn mix up, man. Even though I know I'm not a mix up person, I know I am not a mix up person. Yes, I was posting mix up. But people, let me see a play on social media. I saw a play on social media. It's a blouse and skirt. Am I seeing what I'm seeing now, Father God? So messy right now. Is this real? I had to check. I have to look at one 4 times to make sure I see what I say. I'm going to say, Lord Jesus Christ. And hold on there. So how me did I do? Me do it in vain then, because if this a go on yasso, everything what me did that do, like, wanna shock me, you know? Wanna shock me. I am so disappointed in some of them people who talk about them love. Take on a rasta and push that shit where the sun don't shine. Take on a love and push that where the sun don't shine. Right? If that's the loved one after me, keep that shit. Man, I need it. I have my mother. I have my I have my birth mother, my father, my sister, my brother. I have them people around me. Guys, honest to God, not for these people on social media. Not for them is wicked, dirty-hearted, corrupted, wicked, dirty drum crows. I mean, I ask you, I mean, I put more to them. Listen, I can't nobody name, but if the cat fit, you know, I want me a chat right now. Only is dirty, stinking drum crows. I'm so miss, you know, me see what me need. You know, at the last one that they have it. Go watch your front. Go watch your front. Go watch your front. Dirty drum crows. And I come go out, I can love people. I don't love nobody. Keeping a rash love to myself. My mama love me. My father love me. My family love me. Keep phone a fake love to myself. When only I taught them things guys, when they get a one for backlash. When they get backlash. When come no, me no want style, you know, me don't want style, you know. I don't want style, you know. On the things that I know me, I have no shame. I'm cussing the dog right and I feel no way. Tell them about the parts and all that stuff. I give a bumble what I'm telling you. Oh, love. Keep on the ass, love. Fake dirty people. I mean, I'm telling them, wicked, hypocritical, too much dirty jam crows. If the captain work out, only me a chat to. And if on the feast me a dash with pan anybody, yeah, them me a dash with pan. This time me a dash with, I'm gonna feel no way about it. Be a fake love, Kate. Be a fake love. But love. Keep on a love. I'm not calm down on thinking beak again. I'm calm down on stinking beak again. Right? Come and I kiss my ass. I mean, I'll pet her. I mean, I'll lotion pet her powder. No girl or no boy pan ya. You hear me? I'm Tono. I mean, my tongue long your frig. That's why them. That's why we tell them stop chopping me and stop saying things about me. What them know to them, I gotta dry my tongue. And when my tongue get dry now, me I come style them from big to little. Style. I mean, my tongue long your frig. That's why them. That's why we tell them stop chopping me and stop saying things about me. What them know to them, I gotta dry my tongue. And when my tongue get dry now, me I come style them from big to little. Style.
So that's it for today, blenders. Big up on a nice clean self, and thank you for watching and subscribing. Always comment, remember to comment because I need to know your views. Also, if there is anything that you would like for me to talk about, or if you'd like us to have a one-on-one in live, then you could let me know. Just comment it in the comment section and I'll read your comments.